Alright, hey, what's going on, everyone? Glassman here. You're watching Back to Nature once again. So we are on the conclusion of the solar window oven here. And this morning we woke up and we did the video, which hopefully we can splice this all together. And you can see now that the droplets are, or the frost has turned into droplets. When we left, the temperature in there was 30 degrees, and it was, when we woke up, it was 22 degrees, and then it rose up to 25 pretty much right away once the sun came up. And then we watched it raise, and I can tell you right now, it's extremely colder inside of here than it is outside. So we're gonna check the temperature gauge right now on the window here. So I'm gonna set you down real quick so I can open up the window. Okay, and then we're just gonna turn this on, and we're gonna see what this reading is here. So, and it's gonna be flipped backwards, you guys, because the way that I have the camera set up. So let's turn it on here, and hopefully you guys can see the numbers there. So it says it's at 69. So 70 degrees inside of here. Now let's take this out and bring it into here, and let's just put it right here where it's in the center of the room, and we're just gonna leave that window open. Or actually, we'll close it real quick just to keep that heat that's in there inside and contained, so it doesn't warm up the room too much. It might have brought up the temperature a degree or so. All right, so it was 69 degrees inside of there. It's already dropped to 65, 64 in here, and we'll see if it gets much colder. But yeah, so the solar oven also works. It doubles as a passive heater, so we'll be able to open this window up, and that 70 degrees is going to push inside of here and warm this place up really nicely. So, and then also, forgot about this, but this is part of the whole system as well. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. So this is part of the system as well. And this right here, guys, I don't know if it's going to work through that plastic. So it's a solar fan, as you can see. And this is going to actually push that air out. But I was hoping, and maybe it does work through that plastic. Okay. So actually, it is going to work right there. So we're going to be able to set this up. When we open up that window, we're going to be able to set that up right there. And it's going to blow that hot air into the room here. So let's go check the temperature gauge. So it was 69, and we're now at 57. So it's 10 degrees colder in here than it is in that window, which means that's definitely going to heat up the spot, you guys. And it's dropping. I'm pretty sure, because it went down. There it is, 56. So yeah, it's still dropping. It's really cold in here. I would say maybe not freezing. I would say probably about 30, 35, 37 degrees in here. So, and sorry about the mess and the clutter and everything here, guys. This is just where all our food and different things are. But yeah, you can see it's at now it's 60 degrees. Oh, wait, what happened? So we were just at like 50, and then it went up to 60. So maybe it's starting to warm up in here. I don't know. I just touched it, so it might have done something. I don't know what happened. We might have messed up the reading a little bit. But there it's back to 59, so I think it was at what, 50, 56, 57? But that's 10 degrees cooler than it is in the oven. And we should be able to turn that oven on and just allow it to heat up the place in here. So that should work really nicely. Alright, it's going to take a minute though to continue to drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this to just settle. And we came in an hour later. So I was going to try to come in 30 minutes later. This is now an hour later. So we left and it was 30 degrees. It's pretty much now more than doubled from 30 degrees to 69 degrees in the oven. It's dropping here. It's at 58 degrees. So we're 10 degrees difference from inside. And there it is, 57. So there is a difference there now. 57 degrees. And we're going to open up this window. Well, we're going to let this set up. And in about 15 minutes, we're going to have a truer reading. We'll let this just get to where it's set. And we'll come back. And then we'll also open up the window at that point. And then we'll come back again. And we'll see how long it takes to actually warm up this whole entire space. And I don't know if we can get it all, the whole space, to 70 degrees. But we should be able to get this area by the window at about 70 degrees. So thank you so much for watching. This is the Glass Man. And we'll be back. This is the solar window oven. Laters.